and then presentation, and then timing actually. But meals come out differently and different timing, right? Katumujira muzina kwa happy hour itandise Namagembe Oliwa. I keep feeling like that. When you say my name is Namagembe, I feel like Oliwa. Yeah? It's like saying Peter, Miles, and what? Okay. All right, make a break and do your thing. Let's have a good time. Judges, thank you so much. Stick. Right. What is this? Okay, Musa, you start.
I made some juicy chicken breast and some frankfurters. These were garnished in some spices that were provided. And on the side, we have some kachumbari, tomato slices, and some green pepper. It was warmed a bit, not raw, so you're free to eat it without putting any jams.
Go on and serve your people. Thank you for mentioning about jams. Let's look out there, guys. Ebola is real. Keep it safe, but okay. It's frankfurters and chicken breast. Play me some music. All right, so I'd like to tell you that if you really want to buy something, there's so much art here and things we are marketing. Akatale kali open wangulu. Then if you are using FlexiPay, yes, you only have about 15 minutes left to buy all the beers you want in the world using FlexiPay. 4 beers at 7K. You guys stop talking, judges. Don't be judgmental. Are we ready for the next one? The next one. All right. Namagembe, explain what you made for us.
Hello everyone. So I was given frankfurters, which I marinated with spices that were provided. Then I roasted them. After roasting them, I cut tomatoes and green pepper slice. And I put it together with frankfurters just to kill off the taste and the norm.
Okay. Judges, this might have been rushed, but I know. Put your hand up and we start judging. Can I have Miss Jojo here? Okay, so you guys be judgmental. Let's get to it, yeah? For the lovers of karaoke, I'm about to show you how it's done. King Brown DJs in the house. You look on the screen, sing from your own blanket or rap, but don't forget to enjoy Coke Zero. No sugars, no calories, and then the more you buy Coke, the more you win the wraps and the umbrella. I'll be giving you more information. But if you're online, follow us, Swans Avenue. Which judge is ready? Tusokaliwa. Umusaja. Bali badidi. All right. Thank you so much, big brother. Kati, I'm gonna take a minute. I'm gonna let the judges go somewhere, deliberate. The jury. Be there. Choose 1, 2, 3, because Bell is here to reward everyone. So, don't make it too bad. You guys go there, the contestants, Jojo, Musa, and Dapin. Judges, ready? Take your time when you're ready to choose who's number 1, who's number 2, who's number 3. You will tell the people. Now, King Brady, are you there? Can you play me something on the screen? Let me show how karaoke works. This is how it works. Makeup Breaker still in the house. Let me throw some shout outs to my people, Spark TV and TV people in the building. But my main sponsor, Bell, Fresh Vibes, Full Enjoyment, One Avenue, Capital FM, Coca-Cola, Spring Tea, good Wi-Fi. Let me see. Actually, I'm connected. FlexiPay. Happy hour. It is now 4:10. Okay, let's have a good time. This space so that we get to enjoy the rest of the show. Mochi? Nachi? Alright, so let me hit you up with some lineup. We have the Black Man band, and then we have himself, the black man, just today. And I'm DB, hey, and then Imbiwe Buanga. But this is in Poland, Germany. I'd like to tell you that feel free to use the whole facility. We have the market going on. I got a way I'm outside here. Jackson, are you ready? Play it.